Hello, I'm Scotty.
Hey, I'm Melinda, and we are Simple Life Big Adventures.
Welcome to our backyard.
Mm-hmm.
Today, we're going to show you how we set up our Gazelle G6 gazebo for the very first time.
The Gazelle is only 34 pounds. So we watched our YouTube videos before we got started, so we would know what we were doing. And you unzip the bag, and you take the Gazelle out. So this is the first opening. Okay, so here are the tent stakes are also included. And also the door support poles. Only other thing in the carry bag. It's wrapped with a Velcro strap here. So we'll undo the Velcro strap. All right. Fan it around here a little bit. Okay, so it says to start opening it, and you'll start to see it open up. It'll be part of it. You see your sides coming out. You want to pop that first side, get it started, stand on the bottom, it says. Pop the side out. Okay, y'all, you can tell this is our first time setting this up. But, got the 5 sides popped out. We unzip it, and you go in, and you just pop that middle up. I don't know if that got us very good.
Pretty easy.
All right, door support poles. You go inside. Can you see me? And there's a pocket in the bottom corner down here. Put the tent pole in this little pocket. That man made it look a lot easier. Bend it just a little bit so that it will fit into the top pocket.
There is a lot of room in this G6 Gazelle Gazebo. So the reason we bought the Gazelle G6 Gazebo is because every time we go camping in our van, we always take a tent with us just to free up some space inside the van.
Yeah, we really liked the Gazelle Gazebo because it has the screened-in sides, which is protection from insects if we need it. And there's so much space in here.
I'm 5'9" and I don't even come close to touching the ceiling.
Yeah. We also had some friends, the friends that we tested their gazebo with, they actually had the propane fire pit set up inside of their camp.
Does it harm the gazebo at all?
Doesn't hurt the gazebo at all. So we can put, if it's windy or cold, we can put the panels on and have the fire pit right inside the gazebo.
We also like the fact that the Gazelle holds up to the wind and rain very well. And that's important, especially when you're out in the desert and you got big winds blowing.
You do your tie-down straps and your stakes in the ground, and it holds. It's going to be here.
So for now, we've got it set up in the backyard, and we really think we're going to enjoy it.
We're excited to use it on our next adventure.